Hello and welcome to this CATIA V5 tutorial. Today we are going to go over the basic sketching elements, and we are going to look at a specific rectangle that is oriented at an angle. In order to create the part, we go to Start, left click, Part Design, left click, and then type in the name of the part, ORIEN, Oriented Rectangle. Make sure that the hybrid design is not enabled. We need to do that because it might be very difficult for us to go back into the non-hybrid mode. Especially this is especially true for mechanical design and the other elements, and then press OK. Now we have our CATIA tree over on our left side, our part body, our axis system. In case you don't have axis system shown on the tree, you can go insert and then you can put axis system. You can also show or hide planes by selecting the plane, left click, right clicking it, and then a contextual menu will appear, and then we can click in hide or show. So in this case I'm showing this plane, but since my axis system is active, I will hide this plane. Again, right click, and then the contextual menu will appear, and then we click onto the hide show button again, and it will hide the axis. So in order to create the sketch, we need to select the plane. Why do we need to select the plane? Because it will form as a reference datum for where we are about to sketch. So I will select the XY plane for this example, and then I will go over to sketch and then click this little arrow over here, and then there's a position sketch. I'll click onto this one, and at the moment my horizontal line is vertical and my vertical line is horizontal, so that's why I click onto swap, and now you can see my horizontal line will be horizontal and my vertical line will be vertical. And then now I will click on OK. Now we have entered into the sketching workbench. Now you just click onto the rectangle, and then there are various types of rectangle. We will just select this oriented rectangle, and now you can click anywhere and then move along anywhere to create a line. So I will just create a line. So I will just left click one more time, and then now your line has been created, and now you can basically move your mouse anywhere to create a rectangle. And I will again left click it one more time, yeah, and that will make my oriented rectangle. In order to pan, we select the middle mouse button and we drag our mouse. At the moment our sketch is not constrained. We want to constrain our sketch because we don't want it to be moving around in case anybody messes it up. So it is very essential for us to constrain our sketch. So in order to do that, we'll just click onto this constraint, then I will select this element, and then I'll select this element, and then I'll make them constrained. Please keep this part if you want to follow along this tutorial, because we will go and then we'll put in some pad features on our next tutorial, coming tutorials. Thank you.